Next Robotics AMR is designed to elevate your warehouse and factory operations with a suite of fundamental and add-on functionalities. With autonomous navigation capabilities, Next Robotics AMRs bring a new level of efficiency to your warehouse operations. Organized assigned path navigation is a strategic approach in factories and warehouses, where robots are confined to specific paths, ensuring safety and optimizing productivity. However, the power is in your hands too. With visual user programming, you can easily customize their tasks. Visual map editing empowers precise control, allowing you to prevent AMRs from entering restricted areas like downstairs or hazardous zones. Obstacle avoidance ensures smooth navigation as AMRs intelligently adapt their path to evade obstacles in real time. Auto charging empowers AMRs to intelligently pause ongoing tasks and navigate to a charging station, ensuring they're always primed for action. Advanced features. Advanced motion planning supports straight paths, smooth curves, and sharp curves, even when integrated with a rack system, which enables robots to navigate complex layouts, enhance safety, maintain controlled and predictable movements. Supports motion planning for both QR code navigation and SLAM technology. High level of safety. Positioning accuracy and auto adjustment. With additional markers, positioning accuracy up to plus or minus m. Auto adjust the movable rack. Motion in ultra-narrow paths. Robots can navigate tight spaces with just 7 to 10 centimeters clearance on each side, which easily adapts to narrow space environments, and enabling efficient operations. Universal Master Fleet Management. Centralized control. Control everything in one place. Map flexibility. Support both QR-based and SLAM map. Dynamic path planning. Increase average operation speed and prevents traffic congestion during the operation of large robot swarms. Traffic control collision avoidance mechanisms to prevent accidents or conflicts between robots. Next Fleet provides seamless integration with multi-marker robots, warehouse control system. Next Robotics offers end-to-end services. We offer customers 3D simulation designs customized to address specific challenges. Ensuring seamless adaptability to factory or warehouse layouts, the simulation delivers an optimized solution to reduce costs, maximize resource efficiency, and meet safety requirements before actual deployment.